This video is brought to you by Blue Guardian, the only prop firm that protects their traders. Folks, welcome to a new segment here on Trading Up. We've got some top traders taking on the Blue Guardian evaluation. So 50 and 100K, they're doing it across the course of the week, and they're doing it on the live streams on Trading Up. Next week, we've got, in fact, 13 live streams covering Asia, London, and New York. Perfect to support your trading if you're out there trading those sessions yourself. Just hit subscribe, like, and that notifications bell so you don't miss them. Now, we're going to hear from a couple of the traders today. We're going to see their Blue Guardian accounts. Then we're going to jump in and check out their trades as well, if they've taken any, and see how they're progressing. Now, remember, these accounts are unlimited time, so there's no time limit to pass these challenges. And so the risk is moderate. We've got the Guardian Protector. We've also got the low targets as well. So the chance of them passing is quite high. Now, next week, we've got a couple of other traders we're going to hear from as well, including Lord Banks and Herrera Khan, who's been doing the live streams for a while now. So it's all happening here at Trading Nut. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the live streams and you don't miss these weekly recaps and see how these traders progress. All right, folks, let's jump into the first one. Our sponsor, Blue Guardian, is the only prop firm that gives their traders a built-in tool to protect them from hitting their max daily loss and overtrading. It's super simple to use. Just set the Guardian Protector each day from your dashboard. Did you also know their evaluations are 40 and 80 days long, giving you plenty of time to hit their low 8 and 4% targets? Check out the link and coupon in the description to get 10% off your next Blue Guardian evaluation. Righty-ho, folks, we've got Gentsla here in the house, who has been doing the live streams on the Blue Guardian 100K evaluation. This is his first week. We're going to dive in and have a look at his account.
Okay, so we have our Blue Guardian account, which is actually really great. There's quite a few benefits to this prop firm. As you can see, first I haven't taken a trade, but the most important thing, that I really like, is this Guardian Protector. Okay, protects your capital. If you are using it, as you can see, I haven't taken any trades, so it's just flat at 100,000. But what we have is you can set a limit on either percentage or amount of capital, depending, for the day. Once you set that, I have a 0.25 risk per trade. But so I set my stop or my amount that I'm willing to lose at 500, so that's 0.5% of the account. And you have to remember that you've got to click this button over here to turn it on. Okay, that's quite important. You need to turn on the Guardian Protector so that when you are trading, if you do exceed that limit, it will pull you out of the trade. And then therefore you're protecting your capital. Now, what's really nice about this is that the dashboard is really, really clean. We have obviously the account. We have a max permitted loss of 8,000. So that's 8% and a 4% daily drawdown. Now, the reason it's like this is because I'm on the unlimited version. Their 100K account, which is what we're on, they have a standard Guardian and an unlimited Guardian. The standard is a refundable fee after phase 1 of $517, whereas the unlimited is $497. So it's actually cheaper in the unlimited version than in the standard version. This also takes the pressure off of you so that you don't have to trade every single day like the other prop firms. You're almost treating this like a real account, which is quite nice, which is what I actually enjoy about it. The 8% drawdown is not a problem because of the benefits of everything that they have. They've got 100-to-1 leverage. They have a refund after you become a funded trader through them. There's an 85% profit split. They have a $6 round trip commission, which means that $3 aside, you enter a trade, it's only $3 per lot to enter and $3 to exit, $6 round trip. On top of that, their spreads are on 8cap. They use 8cap as a broker. So EU or euro dollar, their spread sits at around 0.0 to 0.1 of a pip, which is amazing. Like, you don't find that often. Normally the spreads are wider. They're between 0.3 and 0.6. And this is just because they want to also make money, which is okay. We're all in this business to make money together. But yeah, I'm really enjoying it so far. It's been quite a nice experience to see how the spreads work. And yeah, I'll be probably taking trades next week because this week has been a big, humongous news week. I have my rules set and I make sure that I stick within my rules, and that's it. There's only certain times I trade, and if you break the rules, you then don't have your edge.
Yeah, exactly. Now, folks, if you do want to check out Gentsla on the streams, he's actually doing the Asian session most days of the week. So if you are in the Asian session, so you're probably either going to be in the US or the States kind of area, or in Australasia where I am, then or even Japan, I suppose. Maybe not Europe, unless you're a night owl. But yeah, he's doing the Asian session, which is kind of unique. So please jump on there. It's on the Trading Nut channel. Hit subscribe, like, and you'll find him there. But thank you very much for that quick evaluation. Hopefully we can check out a couple of trades next week.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Tuesday to Friday, every single week.
Brilliant.
Let's go.
All right, folks, we've got Sully in the house now. He goes by Solar_ICT on the live streams, and he's doing the 50K Blue Guardian challenge. So, Sully, welcome to the show.
Thank you. I appreciate being here. I appreciate the opportunity and everything you brought upon.
Well, what we're going to do is we're going to jump in and have a look at your account. So you've been trading it for, I think, half a week, and it's the unlimited Blue Guardian, isn't it? So there's no time limit on it. And well, let's jump on, and then we're going to check a trade out as well, or a couple of trades out on your chart. So let's have a look and see what it's looking like after just a few days.
I mean, as we can see here, it's currently in 0.6% of a drawdown. First trade was a loss of a 0.5%, and then we had a nice 2% gainer, and then a slow drop off during after FOMC. We can see here my max loss was 317, and I've been trading for 3 days and 6 hours so far. This Guardian Protector I used just to make sure that I don't go into the failing account drawdown, the stop loss. So for the trade that I took that brought my account up from that 0.5% drawdown was, if we go up to the 15-minute time frame, we can see that there was this mitigation block, and which is just simply you have 3, and then so 1 to 2 we have the run higher above an old high. We have 2 to 3, which is a failed swing lower. And then the break of structure, which is created here. As you can see, we trade above it, and then we trade back into it, this mitigation block, which was one confirmation for bullish momentum, and then as you can see here as well, we have this 15-minute order block. Once you traded above, we traded back into, and we can drop down to the 5-minute time frame. You can see here, there was a fair value gap. I did enter before this fair value gap on the 5 was created. I entered off the 1-minute time frame. We can see that this was fully filled in during my trade. Go down to the 1-minute time frame, and we can see that where my eyes were pinned to was this small fair value gap here. We had a break of this high, and I was expecting a run in this liquidity anyways. So another confirmation, as well as that mitigation block that was traded to, traded down into that 15-minute order block. So once price traded into this fair value gap, I was waiting for a confirmation, or for me, I was waiting for an energetic move higher. As you can see, we had this energetic move higher. So I didn't enter here. I entered up here with my stop loss below the fair value gap, targeting a 1 to 2.7 risk to reward. I did initially target a 1 to 2, but I held in quite higher. I held in because I was expecting price to go higher. So it was a 1 to 7 3, and yeah, this was the first profitable trade that I had taken.
Did you take that one on the stream, or was that
this one? I think this was out of the stream. Yeah, I think this one was out of stream. I think this was prior FOMC.
Okay, cool. Well, folks, what you can do next week is you can check him out on the streams and see some of these trades live. He'll be trading it outside the streams as well, but you'll get to get a good view of exactly what's going on and how he takes them. So, hey, look. Thank you very much for jumping on here and sharing what you've managed to do in the first week. It's only been 3 days, should I say? It's only been a few days. So we're going to track that across the course of you taking this challenge. So I can't wait to see more.
Awesome. Thank you for having me again. And next week should be a much better week for my trading. No heavy impact news like that. And I hope I can bring more content to your viewers.
Awesome.
All right, folks, I'm here at Black Bull Markets headquarters in Auckland, New Zealand. You can see this amazing view behind me of Auckland Harbour. Now, talking about views, if you do want to get free TradingView Pro, then all you need to do is trade 1 lot a month at Black Bull Markets, and they're going to give you free TradingView Pro. So, folks, to find out more, click the link in the description below or the card above.
So there you have it, folks. Now, remember to tune in next week because we're hoping to get Lord Banks and Herrera on as well. And also, these traders will have a full week's worth of history. So remember to check out the live streams. And there is a 10% discount coupon code. It's Trading Nut. If you do want to get 10% off your Blue Guardian evaluation, link below the video. All right, folks, enough from me, and we'll see you in the next one. Tired of missing trades or spending hours at the charts? Introducing my Robot Builders Club. With our platform, you can build bots in minutes, not weeks, without any coding required. Get lifetime access to my video course, VIP community, and over 40 ready-made robots. Works with MT4 or MT5, and as a bonus, you'll get 3 months access to my robot lab, where we build and test bots on live calls every week. Join the hundreds of traders who are trading smarter, not harder. Click the link in the description to learn more, get the free training, and download a free robot.